Guys, Trinity here, and I just wanted to show you something really special. As you can hear it right now, as you may guess that it might be, is this right? Because this is my little baby Mittens. Say hi, Mittens. Mittens, where did you go? Okay, now, something special about this little kitty here is that she can let you do anything. You can pick her up, you can carry her, you can set her down. She'll just get right back under your feet. Now, come on, Mittens. Okay, and she never leaves you alone. She won't leave you alone. She won't leave me alone. See? No, get away. Come on, let's go to the swing set and swing. Okay. Come on, Mittens. 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 Is the newborn kittens over there? And, oh yeah, my cat just had kittens and we can't find them. So, kind of want to find them. But sorry, I'm not showing my face. I don't really want to. Because I'd hate last time. So let's just sit down on the swing. Sit down on the swing. Let me sit down, Mittens. 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 Let me sit down. Okay. Mittens. Let me go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Mittens. Here, do you want to get up on the swing with me? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Okay. Okay. Now Mittens is on the swing with me. As you can hear her purr. As you can hear the wind through your hair. Okay. That's enough, Mittens. Now, other things I would like to show you is my dogs, Daisy and Sophie. And you can see the difference between Daisy and Sophie. Because one... No, I'm not going to spoil it. I'm not going to spoil it. Move, Mittens. Mittens. Come on, move. Okay. Sorry if this video is a little boring. But Mittens, get out of my face. Mittens. Ew. Yeah, where's Daisy and Sophie? Ow, Mittens. What?
Say, where's Daisy? You want outside?
Daisy. There's one, there's two. Oh, hey, Daisy. Aren't you a little fat one? And this little bitty little Sophie is just hanging in the back. Sit, Sophie. Sit. 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 Sophie. Stay. Now, she will stay. She won't follow like Mittens. Now go. Okay, that didn't work. But, Mittens, you need to stay away. I do this. Now, Daisy, look into the camera. Oh my God, look at her little tooth. Her little bitty tooth hanging out. Okay. And next, I want to show you my room, which I will just open the door, move things, inside, I know, inside. Wait, no, I don't see it. Okay. Have this little break to think about what you saw. Okay, so I'm back. Now first is my desk chair. My computer is currently gone right now. So I'm doing this on my iPad and uploading a video. Now, there's me when I was just a little bitty baby. Okay. And this is my room, my bed, and my monstrosity closet. My drawers and stuff like that. And here's some toys. I don't know why they're on my desk, but I'm going to show you. Dun dun dun, the walk-in closet. Now this is where, oh crap. This is where get everything to go to school in, and everything to do everything. That's like all you can think of. So I'm going to shut this light off. And yeah.
Go wash your hands.
I'm recording. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Outside. Okay. Now I'm going to go and do things while you guys wait. So I'm going to open this sink. Now think about what you saw. Will I wash my hands? It's hard to wash my hands. One hand. Okay, I know what to eat. So,
Trinity.
I'll see you all later.
Trinity.
Shush!
You don't have to talk.
The thing is playing. Okay, so, I have to go eat my grilled cheese, and then I'll catch you all later. And by the way, this is by Trinity, because Kat can't get in this account, because I forgot the password, and she forgot it, so I'm in it, but she can't be in it. Maybe that'll change, but bye.